Welcome back to our new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how can you change name password in AppLock setting Redmi 10 phone. Guys, if you want to change your name password, so you can change, and today I will tell you guys how to change the name password in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your phone setting. How to change name password AppLock setting in Redmi 10 phone. So I click on apps, AppLock, enter your password, hold. After guys, you will have to click on this option icon. Then guys, come on change password type, click on password, and guys change, you want to change password. So example for I am taking A B C D, and guys first of all check A B C D, then next A B C D, then OK. So guys, now you can see our name password has changed in AppLock setting Redmi 10 phone. Come on apps, AppLock, A B C D, then OK friends. So I hope guys you have understood how to change name password in AppLock setting Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.